Ang bait niya. This is the Momo. Hello, Momo. Bait ito, Momo. Uy, ang bait naman pala ng Momo eh. Hello, Momo. Bait. Ayun guys, first time na po ng mga baka. Takot ako yung po, baka ako sipain kagaya ng kalabaw. Hello, Momo. Momo. Bait naman. Bait. Awak mo ngayong horn. Bait mo? Uy, sus. Uy, sus. Uy, sus. Uy, sus. Uy, sus. Uy, sus. Guys, parating yung aso ko si Lucy. Look, oh. She like it. She likes that I make him like this. Oh. Diba? Bait? Uy, bait. Ayan. Guys, malalim-lalim na tong tatawiran ko, kaya magtatanggal ako ng tsinelas kasi baka bigla hey inagos yung tsinelas ko. Ayan. Okay, so meron silang nilagay rito pang ano, ayan, para panghuli ng isda. Kung nakikita nyo, screen. Oh no. There guys, a screen for the fish. Maybe they catch a fish there, that's why they put like that. You see? Ay, dalawa yan, oh. Okay, here we go. Tatawid na. Dedo. Bakit dun? Yan, nakakatakot. Teka lang. Sandali, malalim. Diyan. Tapos pakisukat mo nga, kuya. Ha? Lamat. May apo. Guys, look. The water. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh. Whew. Ouch. Okay. Success. See guys, oh. Yeah. Yan na. Okay. Let's continue. Walking. This is the risk. This is the thrill. That's why I want to come here in my province to make a vlog like this, because I know what is the situation here. If it is always typhoon and it's raining, and I want it to show to all of you and to our government here in the Philippines, so that they can see or they can know how's the life of the farmers, how hard is the life of the farmers here in my, not only here in my province, everywhere in the province here in the Philippines, that they have like this. If there's always raining and there's always typhoon, it's like this, like they are gambling. they make plant rice, they make gum, they seems like para sila nakikipagsugal if they win or not, because dahil dyan, if there's typhoon coming and there's a wind strong, oh, all the rice plant will become vanished or washed out by the wind. But now it's better because it's a little better because it's only rain, no strong wind. That's why they still hope for their rice plant, because after the rain, after the typhoon, maybe their plant become rice again and become better again. But if the typhoon, except of rain and there's a strong wind, that's it. All our plants say, you need to say goodbye, because we all sure that all the rice plant will vanish or wash out by that. Yeah, that's why all the farmers cry. They all upset, they all feel sad. If there's a typhoon bring a strong wind and it's strong rain and strong wind, oh, that's it. Say bye-bye to all your plant, to all the money you capital you put there. You say bye-bye na, because we're sure that it will not return all the expenses you made. Here we go. Walking to the muddy. There, my niece already there. April waiting for me. There he is. So we wait the bangka, the boat here, Pijong. Maingay ay malikot. Pangit video, malikot. Sasakit ang mata ng manonood. Uy. Hello, Mariano brother. Okay. See, here we walk. Yeah, if pag ginamit namin yung kariton, if Mariano and the cart bring us here, until here only, hanggang dito lang niya kami pwedeng isakay sa kariton. Hindi pwedeng dumiretso sa bukid, dun sa bahay talaga sa bukid, kasi yan pong bukid na yan, kung natatanong niyo yung bukid na yan na dadaanan namin, lubog po si Mariano dyan, kaya hindi po kami pwede ihatid ni Mariano hanggang doon, baka malunod yung aming si Mariano Carabao, kaya nilakad na lang po namin. That's why we're walking until from the house in the town until here to wait the boat. Then Pijong pick up us here by the boat coming from the house in the Nipahat there in the river. That's it. So we are here now. Oh, wala na. I don't know now where I walk na. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. Ouch. See my feet. Very beautiful, my feet. Now here we wait to Pijong. The boat come here. There on the field. You see the field, guy? Until there's a water. There's a water, and that is deep. That's why our Mariano cannot cross in this field going to our Nipahat there and cross the river there, because the water is deep. That's why we wait to Pijong with his boat to pick up me here and my niece April. We're waiting him here. There. Oh, smile ka naman. Toy. There. Ayan. Now it's raining again. Okay, wait. I come back again, guys. Ayan, guys. Pijong is here now. On the way. Cross the fields. Come here to pick up me and April. See? That is the one Mariano and the cart walk if we go in the fields before and of my first vlog, but now Mariano cannot because the water's deep. You see, guys, that's why Pijong used the boat. See? Okay, Pijong's here. Hello, Pijong. Malalim talaga yung water. Hindi kaya ni Mariano tumawid dyan.
Malalim. Gana lang paray. Gana lang. Tuguan ay.
Uy! Patinga ko yan ang nahuli mo. Ay, huli. Kuya, ay, pare. Hello, pare. May spearfish. Oh, they catch one big fish. Oh. See? Saan yun nahuli yan, kuya?
Dawa sa Gabasaw. Sangat ko pa lang. Guys. Awang tayo, tagduman ako man. Kalang din sama.
Okay, April, sakay na. Sakay na ako. Okay na ba yung bangka natin? Wala nang pumapasok na tubig, sure ka? Ba't naglilimas ka pa rin? Ha? Binuo mo pala ang lagay, no? Now guys, you see, our boat now is okay. I put the Elastosil and the one, that is one, is stainless. That is good. Okay, thank you, Lord. Now our boat is okay. Naka-play na yan. Play? Yan. Mga kabagis, ito, sasakay na kami ng bangka. Pero pakalinis ko rin kinilas ko, please. Marami na pwede sakay pang before, when the hole is not yet fixed, only 2 persons can ride in our boat. But now, because the boat is really okay, now we can ride 4. We are 4 or 3 persons can ride here. Okay.
Okay, mauna ka na dito.
Siyempre muna.
You like that?
Yeah, you like that? I like that. Okay, I'm low. Kinana. Wala akong matapakan eh. Okay. Sana ko. Wala. May propose. Wala ako. on the boat. So now we're starting to travel here on the field, in the middle of the field, going to our place at there in the middle of the farm. Okay guys, okay, I will show you. Boses ni Buddha. Yung boses ni Buddha, ang boses mo. Kuhan nga rod. Bok. Paliitin mo pa. Okay yan guys. Here, now. We're going now. Riding with a boat. Here in the middle of the farm, going to our nipa hut there. And then until we across the river. I will show you guys. That's why dito nagdadaan yung aming Kariton at Mariano, Carabao. Here we walk. If we're going to the house in the farm, in the hut. This is the place, the field that we're walking with Mariano, Carabao in the cart. But now Mariano cannot, because you see guys, the water is so deep. So Mariano hindi pwedeng lusungin ni Mariano, Carabao namin to, yung Kariton namin. Lulubog kami. Eh maigi pang lumangoy na lang kami Saka delikado rin sa aming, it's delicate for our Carabao Mariano to you know, risky. It's risky. You see, it's like a river. It's like a wide river. The field full of water. See, ayan guys, kung nakikita ninyo, ang mga magsasaka ganito kahirap ang buhay. This is how the farmers life. Very hard. They all risky their life just to plant rice for us. But if there's season like this, rainy season here in the Philippines, always have typhoon. That's it. This is what happened to all the fields. The other farmers lucky if their rice terraces is in the higher ground, the higher place. They are lucky because they can do plant first crop and second crop rice. But us here, like us staying here in this place, we only can plant a rice every second crop. The summertime, summer season, so that the plant cannot drown by the water or flood. That's why in 1 year we are only harvest first crop, second crop one time only. Not like the other farmers, they can harvest 2 times a year, first crop and second crop. Pero kami only one harvest, only second. Sa ating pagsa, kasing lang capital 100,000 it will, because of the flood. If you plant a first year. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ang paligid namin. Yan ang tawag sa English, water spinach. So, water spinach. See guys, ang layo ng lakbayin namin. Bago makating sa aming kubo, tatawid pa kami ng paglampas namin. After we pass this field, watery field, then we already got there in the river. We need to cross the river before we reach the house, the Nipa hut. Okay.